If you're looking for a motorcycle that breaks away from the ordinary, something quirky, nostalgic, and full of character, then the Suzuki VanVan might just be the hidden gem you've been searching for. This isn't your typical commuter or off-roader. The VanVan is all about simple fun, a bike that doesn't try too hard, but still manages to make you smile every single time you ride it. With its retro design and those big balloon-style tires, it instantly gives off that 1970s beach bike vibe. It's not built to win races, it's built to enjoy the ride. Suzuki first launched the VanVan decades ago, and over the years, it's been offered in different engine sizes like 50cc, 125cc, and 200cc. Each one keeps the same spirit, a low seat, wide handlebars, and a simple air-cooled single-cylinder engine that's easy to live with. Recently, Suzuki even teased an electric version, the e-VanVan, keeping the same retro charm, but hinting at a modern future. What riders love most about the VanVan is how approachable it feels. Whether you're a beginner or someone returning to riding after years away, this bike makes everything feel effortless. The clutch is light, the balance is perfect, and that low seat gives you full confidence in stop-and-go city traffic. Comfort is another thing the VanVan nails. The tuck-and-roll seat is wide and plush. It's the kind of seat that invites you to take the long way home. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth too, thanks to those chunky tires that soak up bumps and cracks in the road with ease. Maintenance? Practically worry-free. The VanVan sticks to a simple mechanical setup. No fancy electronics, no complicated parts, just pure, reliable engineering. That also makes it incredibly affordable to own and fuel-efficient enough for daily commuting. Now, if we talk about performance, the RV125 VanVan is the version most people recognize. Produced from 2003 to 2016, it's a great learner bike, ideal for city riding and short trips. On the other hand, the VanVan 200 gives you a little extra punch, still easygoing, but more capable when the road turns into gravel or a light trail. However, if you're thinking highway rides or long-distance touring, this isn't the bike for that. The smaller engine simply doesn't have the muscle for sustained high speeds. It's happiest around town, on back roads, or by the beach, anywhere you can just relax and enjoy the ride. Riders often describe the VanVan as one of those motorcycles that just make you fall in love with riding again. It may not be fast, but it's full of personality, that rare combination of simplicity, comfort, and fun. So, if you want a bike that turns heads, makes you smile, and keeps things simple, the Suzuki VanVan is proof that sometimes less really is more. This is Z Autos, where we explore bikes that bring joy to every kind of rider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories from the world of two wheels.